Here's another RT.
Yeah, it works.
We just skipped this one.
Yeah, we did. Here's 3. We're going 3.
Replaced.
Yeah.
Oop.
I'm sorry.
No, you're good, Jay. You're good, Jay.
Here we go.
Ooh. Hydraulic. I'll get the one for you. Or G. I was saying one, like, wait.
Oh, this is the conference center?
Yeah. Conference center, yep.
Door close doesn't even do anything.
This time it did, I think. Whoa.
Yeah, that's a new COP.
Those
Yeah.
ones are completely replaced.
Yeah. It looks like an RT COP, but the way I can tell that's a new COP is because the phone box would be there. So weird.
Alright, you ready,
And
Jay?
here we are at
Yeah.
the ground floor.
Alright.
That's so weird. Gotta go see the elevator. And I guess that is gonna be it for me.